I got an awesome new item for you today. This is the FLEXISPOT E6 dual motor desk. Let's get this thing assembled and check it out. This desktop comes equipped with dual motors. It is very sturdy and very powerful. I weigh about 220 pounds and this desk can raise my weight with no problem. And it can also lower. It can do this feature up to 20,000 times. It can hold up to 355 pounds. It also comes with some wheels if you want to attach those. I'm not going to use these, but you can use these if you want to roll your desk around. And also it comes with some cable management if you want to use those as well. This desk was really easy to put together. It took me about 30 minutes. Let's see this thing in action. This desk also comes featured with an awesome control panel. You can manually adjust the height by hitting the up arrow and also the down arrow if you want to lower it. It also comes featured with 4 different presets. You can manually control these presets. If we want to set this one for the standing height, all we do is hit the manual button and that height's set 33. So if we go back and hit that button, it's going to automatically go back down to 33. You can also set one for sitting, and then you have a 3rd and 4th. You can set those to your desired height as you want. I ain't gonna lie, I'm absolutely loving the standing desk so far. If I don't feel like sitting down and I want to work standing up, I have that option now. And also you can pick this desk up in many different colors. I went with the black version. And also you can pick it up in many different sizes. This is the 60 by 30 inch. And also I could not believe how sturdy this desk is and also the amount of weight it can hold. 355 pounds is a lot of weight. And also it comes with a 15-year warranty on the motors and the stand. And what sets this desk apart from the rest, this is a one-piece design. I've seen a lot of these desks that come in 2 pieces, but I really like the one-piece design on this desk. Let's take a closer look.